Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to set up a secret space in cleanup application. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application in your phone and make sure that you're using the updated version of the application. So once you're here, you will see a secret space option on bottom. Click on that. After clicking on that, here you will get an option of add new. Click on this add new option. A pop-up window will appear which will ask you, do you want to take photo or you want to import photos or videos? So right now I'm using the option of import from my gallery. After that, I can choose any of the photos or videos which I want. A pop-up window will appear. You can choose this according to your need. Then a pop-up window will come. I'll choose don't allow over here. The photo has been here. Click on the lock icon at the right side that you will see in red. You need to create a new pen over here. You can set it according to you. After that, it will ask you to confirm the pin and then just confirm it if you want to add the face ID as well. So you can see the space has been locked. So when you will again go back and click on secret library, you can see it's asking for pin now. So this is how you can set up a secret space in cleanup. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.